Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand.
This vehicle has less than 100 miles.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options:
Navigation system,
traction control,
power liftgate, power passenger seat,
dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.